Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. Today I will show you how to draw a simple water bottle as shown on screen in AutoCAD 3D. All the dimension has been given here. So we will follow this dimension and we will start our tutorial. First we will draw this point, this portion which is 5 unit. Then I will take this point which is 10 unit, and then from here this is 50 unit. So we will draw first with 5, one line, 5 unit, then 10 to this side, enter, and I will cancel this to rotate this portion, enter with arrow to rotate, and here I will give minus 50 degree. Now you can see there is line has been rotated. Now again one more line from here to down 50 units, and here the total uh, volume from here to here, it is 20 units, but we will draw only half portion, then we will revolve, so I'll take 10 units. Now we will join these lines all together, enter, and now I will do some fillet command. F for fillet, and we will select radius here. You can see this radius is 1, so I will take 1 between this line to this line. Then this radius is 20, so again fillet, radius 20, enter from this line to this line. Then one more radius which is 3 here, between this line and this line. Now we will take an offset with 1 unit, because you can see here is the distance is 1. So enter from to inside, and we will close these opening also. Again line here from here to here, and here also. Here also we will apply some fillet command to be smoother this corner. You can see here is smooth, and here we give the radius 0.3. So just we will join first all these line together and finished. Again here, as we see, we'll apply radius with fillet with 0.3 from here to here, and one more from here to here. Okay. Now we have command to make this one as a 3D. So revolve, select object, enter from this corner, select to the top position, and then give the 360 degree. So you can see now it's converted to 3D mode from here to realistic. You can see our water bottle as shown on the diagram on left side has been ready. We draw it as shown on the drawing. So it's very simple and easy for especially for beginner to understand something from here. I hope something you will learn from here. Thanks for watching.